Assalamu alaikum dear students. My name is Saifullah and I welcome you all to STEM International. अपनी आज की इस वीडियो में हम ग्रेड 4 की कंप्यूटर की बुक कीपैड के चैप्टर नंबर 7 मोर अबाउट स्क्रैच को स्टडी करेंगे। इससे पहले की क्लासेस में आपने स्क्रैच के सॉफ्टवेयर को इस्तेमाल किया है, जिसमें हमने स्क्रैच को यूज़ करके छोटी छोटी गेम्स डेवलप की और छोटे छोटे एनिमेशंस डेवलप की। आज हम स्क्रैच को यूज़ करते हुए स्प्राइट्स को ऐड करेंगे, स्प्राइट्स को एनिमेट करेंगे और इसके साथ ही अपनी बैकग्राउंड्स को भी चेंज करके उनको भी एनिमेट करने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो चलिए चलते हैं अपने चैप्टर नंबर 7 मोर अबाउट स्क्रैच की तरफ।
Chapter 7 More About Scratch. A programming language has a set of instructions called a program for instructing a computer to perform specific tasks. Scratch is a simple programming language. It helps us create stories, games, and animations. Playing video games is fun, but programming our own video games is creative, challenging skill that lets us make our phone fun. The free Scratch programming environment makes it easy for everyone to learn programming skills. Scratch was designed by the MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Media Lab's lifelong kindergarten group, led by Mitch Resnick in 2003. अब हम स्क्रैच के कुछ कंपोनेंट्स के बारे में जानते हैं। The various parts of the Scratch window are shown in the figure given ahead. In the previous class, we learned about some of these parts. Let us learn more about them. Stage. Stage is the main working area where all the actions is performed by the sprite as per the given instructions. It displays our work. We can see our stories, games, and animations created by us. It is divided into X, Y coordinates, shown at the bottom right corner of the stage, to display the position of the mouse. इसके कुछ कंपोनेंट्स के नाम हैं टाइटल बार, मेन्यू बार, स्प्राइट टूल बार, टैब्स, block menu, scripts area, blocks palette, new sprite buttons, sprite list, backdrop icon, stage icon, stop button stage, sprite, green flag and view full screen. अब हम इन सारे बटन्स को डीपली स्टडी करते हैं। Sprite. Scratch projects are made up of objects. The most basic object in Scratch is the sprite. It is a small graphic character that performs actions in Scratch projects. There are many inbuilt sprites in Scratch. Cat is the default sprite in Scratch. New sprite buttons. There are 4 new sprite buttons to add a sprite. Choose sprite from library. Using this option, we can pick one from Scratch's built-in library. Paint new sprite. Using this option, we can draw a new one. Upload sprite from file. Using this option, we can upload an image we already have. New sprite from camera. Using this option, we can take a photo with our computer's webcam and use it as a sprite. View full screen. The view full screen button, presentation button, is used to play our project in full screen mode. Sprite toolbar or cursor tools. Once we have created the sprite, we can make a duplicate of it, increase or decrease its size, or delete it by using the sprite toolbar or cursor tools. Duplicate. It creates another copy of the sprite. Delete. It deletes the sprite. Grow. It increases the size of the sprite. Shrink. It decreases the size of the sprite. Block help. When we select this button, if we click on any block in the block palette, with the question mark, a pop-up window appears that shows the quick tips for the specific block. We can also open the tips window by clicking the tips option present on the menu bar. Tabs. Scratch provides three different tabs: Scripts, Costumes, and Sounds. Scripts tab. Script is a set of stepwise instructions given to Sprite to do a specific task. Script is also called a program. Each instruction is also called a command. It consists of the block menu and allows us to write a script. Costumes tab. It allows us to draw, import, or edit image for a sprite. Sounds tab. It allows us to record or import sound files for a sprite to use. In addition to these tabs, the Backdrops tab appear in the place of Costumes tab when we select the stage icon. अब हम backdrop icons को पढ़ते हैं. The backdrop icons are used to change the stage background. Scratch provides 4 different options to change the backdrop of the stage. 1. Choose backdrop from library. Using this option, we can choose the backdrop from the Scratch library. Paint new backdrop. Using this option, we can create a new backdrop according to our requirements. It opens the backdrop window editor. Upload backdrop from file. Using this option, we can upload the required backdrop. Question 4. New backdrop from camera. Using this option, we can take a photo with our computer's webcam or use it as a backdrop. Stage icon. On clicking this icon, the backdrop tabs appears in place of the Costumes tab. We can import any background on the stage using this tab. Sprite list. Here we see all the sprites and stage used in the project. Click an icon to edit each sprite individually. Sprite info pane. We might have noticed a little blue icon in the left corner of the sprite thumbnail in the sprite list. It displays the sprite info pane when we click this icon. It includes the information about the selected sprite as well as a few tools for manipulating the sprite. The tools include sprite's name. This is how we can rename the sprite. X and Y coordinates. The position of the sprite is indicated by these coordinates on the stage. The horizontal line is labeled as x-axis and the vertical line is labeled as y-axis. Direction. It includes how the sprite will turn when it executes a move instruction. Rotation style. We can control how a sprite rotates in 3 ways. Can rotate freely, can face only left or right, or no rotation allowed. Working with 2 sprites. हम अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स में एक से ज़्यादा sprites भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. To create a project with 2 sprites, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Choose Sprite from Library option. The Sprite Library dialog box appears. Step 2. Select the People from the Category section and select Every. Then click on the OK button. Step 3. Again, click the Choose Sprite from the Library option and add Maya Sprite from the People category of the Sprite Library dialog box. Step 4. Select the sprites one by one and start creating the block stack step by step as shown in figure. Step 5. Click the green flag button and observe the 2 sprites talking to each other. अब हम देखते हैं कि किस तरह से हम अपनी sprites की पोजीशन चेंज कर सकते हैं. Changing the sprite position. The stage uses two axes, x-axis and y-axis. The x-axis shows left and right positions. The y-axis shows up and down position. X-axis, a horizontal line that marks the left and right positions, ranges from minus 240 farthest left to plus 240 the farthest right. Y-axis, a vertical line that marks the up and down position, ranges from minus 180 lowest to plus 180 highest. The default position of the sprite is at the point where the x-axis and y-axis meet, called origin, x0, y0. As we move right from the origin, the x value increases from 0 to 240, and as we move left from the origin, the x value changes from 0 to minus 240. Similarly, as we move up from the origin, the y value increases from 0 to 180. As we move down from the origin, the y value changes from 0 to minus 180. Let us create a project to change the sprite's position. Drag the following commands and observe the results. Blocks used in the project. This block is used to set the position x of the sprite. This block is used to set the y position of the sprite. And this block is used to go to the specified position on the stage. इसके अलावा हम इस ब्लॉक को, जिसे हम ग्लाइड ब्लॉक कहते हैं, we can use the block to move a sprite smoothly to an xy position on the stage. अब हम देखते हैं कि किस तरह से हम अपने sprite का rotation style सेट कर सकते हैं. Setting the rotation style. We can set the rotation style of the sprite by using the rotation style button present in the sprite info pane. Let us create a project. Step 1. Click the Choose Sprite from Library option. The Sprite Library dialog box appears. Step 2. Select the people from the category section and select Zara. Then click the OK button. Step 3. Now click the blue exclamatory icon present on the left corner of the sprite to open the sprite info pane. Step 4. Set the rotation style to linear arrow. Step 5. Drag the following commands and observe the result. अब हम ये भी देखेंगे कि किस तरह से हम अपने पेन शेड को चेंज कर सकते हैं. As the sprite moves on the stage, pen blocks are used to draw a trail. As the sprite moves, each pen color has different shades that vary from 0 to 100, lightest to the darkest. That is, 0 is the lightest and 100 is the darkest shade. Let us create a project, drag the following commands and observe the result. Changing the stage backdrop. We can change the backdrop, that is background of the stage. To change the backdrop, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Choose Backdrop from Library option available under New Backdrop section. Step 2. Select the desired backdrop. Step 3. Click the OK button. Step 4. Drag the following block and observe the result. Now let us create a dancing sprite project. Step 1. Click the Choose Sprite from Library option. The Sprite Library dialog box appears. Step 2. Select the people from the category section and select Ballerina. Then click the OK button. Step 3. Click the Choose Backdrop from Library option available under New Backdrop section. Select the Spotlight Stage Backdrop. Step 4. Click on the OK button. Step 6. Now drag the following commands and observe the result. इस प्रोजेक्ट में हमने जो ब्लॉक्स यूज किए हैं वो हैं set instrument to 6. This block sets the type of instrument that the sprite uses for play note blocks. Play note. This block plays a musical note for specified number of beats. अब हम देखते हैं कि किस तरह से हम अपने न्यू स्टेज बैकड्रॉप को पेंट कर सकते हैं. To paint and create a backdrop of the stage, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Paint View Backdrop option available under New Backdrop section. Step 2. Use the available tools to design a backdrop. यहाँ पर ये जानना भी जरूर अच्छा होगा. To delete a backdrop, right click on the backdrop in the backdrops list under the backdrops tab and select the delete option.
जी तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये था हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 7 मोर अबाउट स्क्रैच. इसमें हमने अपने स्प्राइट्स को इंस्टॉल करना और इन स्प्राइट्स के ऊपर मुख्तलिफ चीज़ें परफॉर्म करना, अपने बैकड्रॉप्स को चेंज करना, कस्टमाइज़ करना, इन सारी चीज़ों पर काम किया. एक दफ़ा इस चैप्टर को रिव्यू करते हैं.
Review. A Scratch is a simple programming language that lets you create your own interactive stories, animations, games, music, and art. The Scratch is 480 pixels wide and 360 pixels high. Everything is on a grid with two axes, x-axis and y-axis. The x-axis is a horizontal line that makes left and right positions. Ranges from -240 to +240. From farthest left to farthest right. The y-axis is a vertical line that marks up and down position. Ranges from -180 to +180, lowest to highest. The default position of the sprite is at the point where the x-axis and y-axis meet, called origin, x0, y0.